Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to crop a screenshot on TCL Plex. To crop your screenshot, first you'll need to take it, and to take it you need to click on two buttons at once, power and volume down. So click on them, that takes a screenshot, and now you can click on edit. And to crop it, click on crop, now you can crop it however you want. And then click here to approve, and you can click on save to gallery or delete screenshot. I'm gonna save it to gallery, and now the screenshot has been saved here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.